Yeah, message to the people in Jamaica. We have some family overseas and them family send them money here and there. People, you see during the winter time, yeah, you see if your family will usually send you $200, if them send you $100 US round this time, satisfied with what you get. Because, yo, them weather, yeah, if them live in a state where cold like iceberg, them your kind of weather condition here is not for the weak. Me say the way all the cold disrespectful, it make a big man like me cry. Me say the weather yeah feisty. It not ram for box with our face. Sometimes we are walk and slip up on some cold ice. Yo, we have some people that do construction work and roofing work on top of a roof. In a them kind of weather yeah. You don't believe me? Alright, I'm going to show you. See it for yourself, 10 degrees. Now, you look on that. These are the kind of weather conditions where people have to work in to make ends meet. People work hard for their money over in a foreign. Yeah. You understand? So if your uncle or your auntie or your mother or your father or whatever usually send you 2 bills and them send you 100 round this time in the winter, satisfy. Because of hard working. And I don't even say about the working hard and the weather condition. Look out, yo, watch out, 10 degrees. I feel like 2 degrees. Them are kind of cold, yeah? Boxing in your face and knock you out. May I tell you?